platform 2 for the 11:59 Stepford Connect service to Edgemead.
That's the bullshit then, woman.
Calling at St Helens Bridge.
Okay. Hello guys, Richard here, and welcome to Airshow Live. We're live in Frankfurt. Mark, sadly, he's at the airport in Heathrow. He's back at Heathrow, ready for his flight out to Bangkok, so he's going to do another stream with you tomorrow. Lufthansa's a380 is in the skies again. Where's this going to? Anybody has got an idea? Let's have a look. So heading to Rome. Okay, important. There it is. That's the one that's going out to Rome then. And she has got no passengers. She's only a bit of a... She's not got no cargo as well. She's only got less... She's empty on this one, so she's picking up freight, I think. I don't know. But